If you want to quickly view the games you've wishlisted in Epic Games, this tutorial will show you the simplest way to do it in just a few clicks. Whether you're checking for a game you saved earlier or just want to review your wishlist before a sale, this is a fast and easy process. And if this video helps, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful gaming tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Epic Games in your browser. You can use any modern browser for this, and if you're not already signed in, go ahead and log into your Epic Games account first. Once the page loads, look to the top corner of the screen and click your profile icon. This is where Epic Games keeps your account-related options, including your library, settings, and wishlist. After you click the profile icon, a menu should appear with several options. From that menu, click on Wishlist. This will take you directly to the list of games you've saved. Here, you can review all the titles you've wishlisted and easily keep track of the games you want to buy later. If the list is long, you can scroll through and find the exact game you're looking for. And that's it. You've now viewed your wishlisted games in Epic Games. It only takes a moment once you know where to go. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.